Hey guys, it's me, Brandi, and I am here to open my Copacetic Cosmetics order. I'm super excited. I'm going to open it with y'all, and I'm going to swatch it for you. So I am super excited about that. And let's see. This is what the inside looks like. And then, of course, you get this little card, which is so stinking cute. And this order is from, I want to say Black Friday and then also the $2 Tuesday. So they do a $2 Tuesdays every month for the most part. And basically they put a set of shadows on sale for $2 a piece. So I have the $2 Tuesday order, and then I also have the Loud and Proud multi-chrome set. So I'm super excited about those, and I'm going to swatch them for you guys, of course. And then after I'm done swatching them, I am going to put them in my Copacetic Cosmetics, the portion of, I don't know what I'm trying to say. I'm going to put them in my, what is that thing called? I'm going to put it inside my Adept Cosmetics, single shadow magnetic palette. Oh my goodness. Boy, am I having problems today. Woo! All right, so I am super duper excited. I got some colors that I didn't have already. All right. So I am going to open up. These are where they're going. Those are my Copacetic singles. So I have 10, but I only have 7 spots. So that is a predicament. Maybe I will put them on the other side. Yeah, maybe I'll put them on the other side. We'll see. We shall see. Okay. All right. Okay, so the first one is Serotonin. Look at that. It's pretty. Ooh. Little multi-chromey right there. Ooh, and this is Spitfire. Oh, I'm excited for this one. Spitfire. So, so it's gold, red, and green. I am super freaking excited. Oh man, I should have definitely not. I should not have went into that so much, but look at how pretty that is. Look at my finger. I'm so sad. I can't believe I dug into that so much. Okay, so I know not to do so much with the next one. All right, so next we have Valorous. So let's see if I can get it to shift. So we have green, and then there's like a purple. Oh shit. trying to like dig my finger into it. Okay, I gotta get a little more than that though. Ooh, hoo, hoo, hoo. That looks like a June Bugs. These are so soft. Look at how pretty that is. Oh my God, I cannot wait to use these. Now we have another multi-chrome. We have Tenacious. Look at that. Ready? Oh my God. Oh my God. This is friggin' gorgeous. Holy moly. Gosh golly. These are friggin' adorable. I'm so excited. Okay, so we have Daredevil. So you have, watch this. Oh my goodness. This is like a purple to a teal to a forest green. Oh, and I just dug my finger into the glitter. That's awesome. Look at that glitter. That's another one. Oh my goodness gracious, guys. These are freaking beautiful. Great job. Olivia, great job. These are beautiful. I am super duper excited. I couldn't even begin to tell you how excited I am about these. So, all right, so this is the $2 bundle. We have Fairies Dance. Ooh, that's so pretty. And this was the Christmas $2 bundle. Next we have Prima Ballerina, which is very pretty pink. We got like sugar plum fairy vibes. All right, so next we have Land of Sweets. And this is a beautiful like fuchsia pink. Ooh. I'm gonna put that a little bit. Holy moly, I just got it all over my face. So pretty. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we have two more. We have Nutcracker Prince, which is this beautiful, this is also a multi-chrome. These shades, these were $2, guys. $2. $2. Can you imagine? $2. I am gonna have to do another look with these because, all right, and then the last one is a flaky, and the flakies are a different kind of a formula, but this is called Claire's Dream, and they can be shared out, or you can press them all over your lid. Let's see if I can kind of. The flakies are gorgeous though. Like you could do so much with them. Look at my finger. All right, Copacetic, you have hit it out of the ballpark again. If you haven't tried Copacetic Cosmetics, you have to. You absolutely have to try them. They are an amazing indie brand. You can always use discount codes. They have a couple different ones that you can use for their brand, and you get discounts. Plus, they keep track of your purchases, so you can use those purchases towards regularly priced items. They just did an amazing job with these multichromes. I'm gonna have to use them. Like, I'm gonna have to use them. So thank you so much. I appreciate it, you guys, and you just have a wonderful, wonderful day. Cosmetic singles and those beautiful multichromes. Plus I have 2 glitters right there. So yeah, if you get the chance, 100%. Now, please do me a favor and like this video down below. Comment, have you tried Copacetic Cosmetics? If you haven't, you need to. Also, if you could like this video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, I would appreciate it. Thank you so much and have a wonderful day. Bye.